Hello dear students, welcome to English class. Today we will do the poem The Legend of the Northland Part 2. The poem which is written by Phoebe Carey. In this last lecture we have discussed about the stanzas of the story. Rest of the stanzas are to be done today. Let us read the poem and then come to know what the poet says in the stanza number 10. For she said, my cakes that seem too small, when I eat of them myself, are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. The woman reasoned that when she ate the cakes, she felt that they were very small, but if she had to give them to someone else, she felt that they were too big to be given away. She put all the cakes on the shelf to her kitchen, and she did not give any cake to Saint Peter. In the next stanza, the poet says, Then good Saint Peter grew angry, for he was hungry and faint, and surely such a woman was enough to provoke a saint. Obviously, when Saint Peter was not given any of the cake, any piece of the cake, and due to hunger and tiredness, he was just too faint. Because of hunger and being faint, he got angry with the woman, and he was feeling very weak, and the selfish woman was not ready to give him even a small cake. So this behavior of the greedy woman made the saint angry to her, and he said, you are far too selfish to dwell in a human form, to have both food and shelter and fire to keep you warm. Therefore, after being angry, because of being angry, Saint Peter cursed the woman and said that she was very selfish. She did not deserve to live like a human being. He also added that God had given her food, shelter, fire to keep warm, but she had become selfish for all the resources she had. She did not want to share them with anybody. Now you shall build as the birds do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard dry wood. Saint Peter cursed the woman and converted her into a bird. She would become a bird because she did not deserve the human form. She became a woodpecker. She shall become a bird, and just like birds build their houses by boring into the wood and collect very little food by working hard the entire day. Similarly, she would also work hard in the dry wood all day and cut little food and make a small place for herself to live in. That was just because of the curse of Saint Peter, and no doubt the greed which she expressed, which she presented, or which she showed before Saint Peter. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. As soon as Saint Peter cursed the woman, she did not get a chance to speak for herself, because that very moment she flew up to the roof through the chimney and flew out in the form of a bird. She became a woodpecker. Saint Peter's curse had converted the woman into a bird, and after being a bird, she was unable to say anything, to do anything except doing a lot of hard work and getting very scanty food or other things. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burned, black as a coal in the flame. When the woman turned into a bird, at that time she was wearing a red colored cap on her head. This cap was there on the bird's head also, but the woman's remaining clothes had burnt and turned black in color just like coal. So she remained hardworking, but that hard work was for of no good fruit for her. Before before this, when she was a woman, she also doing the hard work. She was baking many cakes, but because of greed she was keeping all the cakes to her. Now after being a bird, she had to do the hard work, but in return of the hard work she was not able to get much anything more. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood where she lives in the trees till this very day, boring and boring for food. So, people who live in the countryside, even the small children who go to the school, seen this kind of bird in the woods. They see that she stays there all day and keeps on digging the wood with her beak to collect her food. Whenever any child sees this kind of bird, then his elders tell him the story. They say that the bird used to be a woman earlier. She was very greedy, and so she was cursed by Saint Peter and turned into a bird. They get a teaching that they should not be greedy ever. So, dear students, we have also come to this theme from reading of the story that one should not be greedy and we should always ready to help the needy person. So what if she would give a part of cake to Saint Peter? That would not be a very much cost for her, but Saint Peter, after satisfying his hunger, might be possible that he would give her a blessing, a good blessings, and that could be fruitful for her happiness, or that could be add to her happiness, that could be an add to her luck. But because of the greed, she remained without the blessings, or even she had to face the curse of Saint Peter. So Saint Peter was a great person, but on the whole he was a human being, and human nature was also there. So being very hungry and being very tired, it was obvious that anybody could become so angry with the person whom he was expecting some kind of help. And the same done by Saint Peter here. So, by the poem or the story in the poem, we have a lesson that we should not be greedy, and if we have anything more than our need to us, we should always try to share it with the needy ones. Thank you and have a nice day.